Next problem about next problem 1367. Here we are discussing about the three variable K map, and these first 5 examples has been completed. The sixth example is a 1367. The min terms are selected. 1 3 6 7. Here see, easily we can able to create the mapping. What the way to create the mapping for that problem? 1 and 3. Whenever you go to the problem, first create the easy mappings. Okay, 1 and 3. After that 6 and 7 without overlapping, the two groups are created, and that are true to cell grouping. Okay, then answer will be, then answer for the first group is, first group will be 1 and 3. Which one are common? A dash is common as well as a C is common. So that here you need to write answer as A dash and C is answer. The next group answer will be 7 and 6. AB is common. AB is common. Okay, AB is common. The final answer for the given question will be f of A comma B comma C equals to A dash C plus AB. So this is the answer for the given question. Let us go to the next question. Next question 0 to 3 5. So which one are selected? 0 to 0 and 2, and next one 3 5. 3 and 5. So this is a somewhat different problem. Let us discuss here. Now whenever you go to the problem, first make the easy grouping. So obviously whenever look into the diagram, easily we can able to map off 3 comma 2 or 2 comma 3. One's group has been completed. Now let us think about the ones which are not in the group. Now 0 is not in the group, 5 is also not in the group, but 0 in the folding paper procedure we can able to create the map of as a adjacent as a edge grouping, that is 0 and 2 with overlap. With overlap we can able to create a one group. So let us create that group 0, and next one is a 2 cell 2. Now these two are in a one group, and let us go to the one which are not in the group. Only 5 cell is not in the group. For this one we need to look for the alternates. 4 is not selected, 1 is not selected. These are become adjacents for the 5. 1 is not selected, 7 also not selected. There is no alternate to create a combination of group, so that we should create as a individual cell group. Now this is a answer, this is a grouping for the given question. Now after that let us write the answer for them. Okay, now for red color group of 2 cell, what is the answer? Answer will be 0 and 2. Which one are common? A dash is common and C dash is common. So that you need to write answer as A dash and C dash. A dash and C dash. After that, what is the answer for the green color group? Green color group answer will be who are common? 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2. A dash is common, B is common. So answer will be A dash and B is common. Okay, now after that for fifth one there is no grouping is there. Directly you need to write the cell value. What is the cell value of that fifth one? A B dash C. A B dash C. So this is become a minimized min terms for the given question. So after that let us write the answers. F of A comma B comma C equals to A B dash C plus A dash B plus A dash C dash. So this is the answer, plus A dash and C dash. So this is the answer for the given question. Okay, let us go to the next one. 0 to 5 0 to 3 5. This one also gone. Next one is a 0 3 5 6. Let us go to the 0. Next question 3 5. Next question about the 0 3 5 6. Let us go to the select 0 0 3 5 6. Here 0 and 3 and 5 and 6. These are the cells are selected. These also different kind of problem. Now let us go for the mapping. There is no easy grouping. we have to think for every cell. Now let us go to the zero alternate. Zero cell alternate adjacents are become 4 and 1, and in a folding method 2 also alternate, but here no one is selected, so that there is no possibility to create the group, so that we have to leave as a individual only. We already think about the all adjacents. 0 can able to create the map with the 0 to 4, 0 to 1, or else 0 to fold. In a folding method 2 can also possible, but these 3 are not selected, so that there is no alternate. Let us go to the fifth cell, a third cell. Here also the alternates for the third cell is become 1, 2, 7, but no one is selected, so that you have to left as a single group. For 5 also no alternate is available, so that in this group no combination of groups are not possible, all are single cell groups. So that write answer for each and every one. Now you have to write the answer for this one, answer for this one, answer for this one, and answer for this one. Okay, the final answer for the Boolean function will be, the final answer for the given Boolean function will be f of a comma b comma c will be equals to, what is the answer, Amma? What is the answer for 0 cell? A dash b dash c dash. Next answer, next cell value will be third one we need to select. What is the third cell value? Third cell value is a dash b c plus next fifth cell value become a b dash c, plus next one is a sixth cell is a b c dash. So this is the answer for the given Boolean function. The last one, let us go to the last one. Almost you might be understand about the K-maps, for the K-map simplification for the 3 variable, that too sum of products, SOP. Now I am discussing about the only SOP, min terms. Okay, let us go to the last one. And here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all are selected, not all are selected, up to 6 only selected. Let us create the mapping. Now 1, 2 all are selected except 7. And how to create the mapping? Now here it is a different kind of problem. Now easily we can create the map for these 4 cells. Whenever you go for the mapping, you can create the 4 cell mapping. Easily we can able to create. After looking into the problem, easily we are creating. And another one also we can able to create with the overlap. These 2 cells are there. We can able to create the 4 cell grouping. Easily we can able to understand it. Then which one is not in the mapping? Only this one is not in the mapping. Now think how we can able to create the map for the 6th cell. Now it is very different kind of problem. Here 0, 1, 3, 2. They are all are adjacent one to each other. Directly we create the map of 4 cell, black border group. Next one is a green color group will be 0, 1, 4, 5. With the overlap we created a one group. Now we need to think about the 6th one. Now 6th one, either there are multiple choices are there. Either we can able to create this some group like a this kind of group. But if you take the or else we can able to create the group like in this manner. In this manner also we can able to group. But even it is not correct, because if you select the group of overlap with the 0, 4 and 2, we can able to create the 4 cell grouping. For the sake of only this one, we are creating the 3 overlaps. 3 cells are get overlap, and here only for that group I am creating the overlapping of 0, 4, 2 all. For this one I am creating the overlap with the how many cells? Totally 4 cells are getting overlap one to each other. Then it is create a one 4 cell group. I think so this problem is very important one. Can I explain the last grouping, how I am creating the mapping? So let us go to the once again. So for this 6th group there are multiple alternates are there, but whenever you go for this, we need to try for the maximum cell grouping. We need to go for the maximum cell grouping without overlapping. If not possible, go with the overlapping. Even it is not possible, then go for the lower order grouping. So there are some alternates are there, like general alternates. Either we can able to group in this way, okay, or else we can able to group with the 2 overlap with the 2 cell. But there is one alternate with the 4 cell grouping with overlapping of 0, 4 and 2. If you include these 3 cells are get overlap, then what could be happen? what could be happen, it create the 4 cell grouping. So this is our goals to create the maximum cell grouping. Now in this, how many groups are created? Totally 3 groups are created, and 3 are 4 cell grouping, and 4 cell grouping. Let us go to the green color grouping. How many cells are there in the green color? 4 are there. Out of 4, 3 are overlap, 1 is not in the overlap. Now it is become a 1 prime implicant. Even 1 should be left as a without overlap, then it is called as a prime implicant. We should take into the answer. Now let us go to the black color group. How many cells are there? 4 cells are get grouped, and 3 are overlap, only 1 is not in the overlap, so that it is also considered as a 1 prime implicant. We should consider in the answer. And let us go to the red color group. How many cells are grouped? 4 cells are grouped. Out of them, 3 are overlap, 1 is not in the overlap, so that it is also one of the prime implicant. All are should be considered in the answer. In case all are overlap, all cells are overlap, then we should not consider in the answer. That example I have explained in the previous video. Okay, now all are prime implicants, all are should be considered in the answer. Then for the green group, what is the answer? In the green group, B dash is common. B dash is common in the green color group. In the red color group, which one is common? A is not common, B also not common, C dash is common. C dash is common. Then black color group, which one is a common? A dash is common. A dash is common. So totally the answer for the given question will be answer f of A comma B comma C comma C, and equals to the answer will be A dash plus B dash plus C dash. So this is the answer for the given question. Okay, this kind of example you must be practice more and more. Okay, then let us go to the next example. I think so all examples are completed, but I need to explain the one another example. In case all cells are selected, then what is the answer? I already explained about that problem. I have already explained that question is not in there here. In case there are all cells are selected, 1 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7, all are selected, then what could be answer? So let us consider, we need to select the all cells. So this is also very important problem, and here all cells are selected, then what is the answer? Whenever in a min-term simplification, in any k-map of 3 variable or 4 variable, all cells are selected, then answer will be 1. Here only directly we can able to create a single group of 8. You know that 2 exponential group is possible, 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 is become a 8. So that here we can able to create a single 8 cell grouping. Okay, single 8 cell grouping is created. Now answer will be, whenever all cells are selected and it is create the 8 cell grouping in a 3 variable, then answer will be 1 only, directly 1. This is the answer for the given Boolean function. Here we can able to write here f of for that question, f of A comma B comma C, the answer will be 1 only, directly 1 only. Okay, now this is likewise many examples we can able to create, but you must be practice more and more, then only you can understand about the k-map simplification. Okay, then in the next video we will discuss about the max term simplification. Okay,